We study the instrumentation of UV visible in the first unit of instrumental method of analysis 7th semester. In this, we'll take the lamp as a source of light which produce or emits the UV visible light. As we know that the UV light has wavelength of 200 to 400 nanometer, and visible light has wavelength of 400 to 800 meter. So we'll combine this to get the UV visible light. Now the lamp will act as a source of energy and it will emit the light rays, and it will enter the monochromator with the entry slit, and it pass through the prism inside there, and these rays will pass out to the prism to produce the Vibgyor, as we know. Now the intensities of light will pass on by the exit slit, which produces a specific wavelength of light, and of equal intensity they pass through the buffer solution, which is present in the reference cell and the sample cell. Now first it will go to the reference cell. In this there is buffer solution present. The reference cell is also known as cuvette, which is made up of glass and quartz. Now the buffer solution, when it passes through that, it won't get it will produce almost the same intensity of light because no cells are present. But when it passes, the same intensity of light passes through the sample cell, it will produce as a lesser intensity light. Why? Because inside the sample cell there is present of proteins, and proteins are made up of amino acids, and there the electrons are also present. So electron will absorb the intensity of light and it will go from ground state to excited state. And meanwhile they'll absorb the light, and therefore intensity of light transmitted would be the lesser one than the previous. So it has been detected by the detector, and then it is recorded by the graph. Now as we can see that the more the light absorb, the more the light absorb over here, so the more amount of protein is present. By this we can conclude that if more intensity of light is absorbed over here, more amount of protein is present.